Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your business information with ZoomInfo detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your business information with ZoomInfo, start by visiting the ZoomInfo website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section of your dashboard. Look for the option that allows you to view your business information. Carefully review the details listed, including your company's name, address, phone number, and website. Ensure that everything is accurate and up to date. If you notice any discrepancies, click on the Edit button. Make the necessary changes to correct the information. After making edits, be sure to save your changes. Next, check for any additional verification prompts that may appear. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. You may be required to submit documents that support your business information. Prepare these documents, ensuring they clearly identify your business. Upload the documents when prompted and submit them for review. Wait for confirmation from ZoomInfo regarding the status of your verification. You should receive an email notification once your business information is verified. If further verification is needed, follow any additional instructions provided in the email. Once completed, revisit your profile to confirm that the verified status is displayed. Regularly check your profile to keep your information up to date in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.